Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing DLF. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further updates, and also join the Telegram channel. The link has been shared in the description box. Okay, now what's happening with the DLF? Let me first go to monthly chart. I've got few messages where they were asking, is DLF bearish? Well, I don't think so DLF is bearish, because DLF looks something like a round bottom pattern for me. I'll just show you what it is exactly. You can see here DLF has started forming something like this, and probably it can move up on a longer run. There are good chances it can come up to 1100. DLF may travel up to 1100, but it will take time. Let me tell you, it will not happen in a week or in a year. It may take years together, maybe 3 to 5 years. This is just a probability what I have. Now the other thing what I see here, let me draw the trend line here and show you. Okay, I've got the trend line here. You can see here, this is a very big long term downtrend line breakout. You can see here, this is somewhere from January 2008. Now this is the first time where this big downtrend line has broken. You can see here how beautiful move it is. After this, the break had happened somewhere around 233, and then from there it has already moved up to 318. Before that also there was a breakout. You can see here somewhere in 2018 it had given a break. So this was a break before that. Here it is. Right after that also we had seen some good move, and this is a big long term downtrend line break. There's a breakout we have seen, and prices have started moving up. This is the first thing. The first important thing, it has broken the downtrend line and it has formed something like a round bottom, and probably it can move up to 1100 in coming years. It may take 3-5 years. We cannot predict that. And the next thing what I want to show you in monthly chart is it bearish for a short term or a medium term? No, it's not bearish. Let me draw the trend line here. You'll understand that. You can see here prices are trading above this 250 moving average even on weekly chart. That's a good sign. On a monthly chart, it was also trading above 50 moving average. You can see here. Now let me go back to weekly chart. Guys, here in weekly chart you can see, let me draw a trend line, uptrend line. You'll understand what I want to tell you. You can see here prices have been respecting this trend line and moving up. I hope you understood that. So even for medium term, it's not bearish, because until unless this trend line doesn't breach, it's not bearish. Even if the trend line breaches, remember one thing, there will be a support at this level. It can come down back to this level. This will be the first support probably, and then it can start moving up on the upside direction again. Because once a breakout happens, it's very rare we see prices for flying up continuously on the upside direction like this. It will usually go in a zigzag form. It will test the previous support where it was strong enough and then again start moving up. So here, even if price breaks this trend line, if there's a breakdown, we can expect max to max somewhere around 251 to 230 levels to come in. This will act as a strong support here. The reason I'll mark it, you will understand. Yes, this level somewhere around 260, I'm sorry, it's 260 it's showing. Is previously it was a resistance level which it has broken. 260 to 240 or 230 will be a strong support level again, where buyers can come in and push the prices up. So for now DLF looks bullish. Now let me go to the next analysis and tell you what our trading plan can be. This is a trend line what I've drawn some time back. Let me adjust this first. Okay, now we can see here prices have been holding this trend line and slowly moving up. Now guys, the simple plan is it forming a divergence? This is a question. You can see here prices have been forming higher highs. Is it really forming a divergence? Well, I doubt for now. So let me tell you what my plans will be for DLF. DLF, in case it breaks this weekly high, that is 324.60, we can probably take a long position for a small target of resistance, that is 332, and above this you can see this trend line will act as a resistance. Once it closes above this, then there can be a good move again on the upside direction above this, right? And in case price closes below this low, this week's low, then guys, you will have to be a little alert because it is a little away from the trend line. So the best thing is we'll wait for the price to close below this trend line. In case we see any close below this trend line like this, then probably we can expect prices to move down max to this 50 moving average, because this 50 moving average can act as a strong support, and from that level again the buying can come in and prices can move up. In case this breaks, then yes, we can see some more move on the downside. So even if it's coming near to 50 moving average, if it breaches this trend line, it will be somewhere around 290. As I've said you, again there will be good buying somewhere from 270 to 240 levels. That will be a strong zone. Now for the coming week, as I said you, wait for the prices to close above 324.60 for a target of 332.70, and above that we'll see what are the next resistance based on monthly chart. Okay, above that we'll have again a resistance at 345, 350, and then 350 will also be a good resistance, and above that we can see prices move to 378 and 397. These can be the targets. In case price closes above this weekly high, let me go to daily chart. Yes, any close above the weekly high 324, prices can easily move to 324, and then wait for the prices to close above this resistance trend line what I have drawn. Any close above this trend line, then we can see prices 345, 350 and 378 as a maximum target for now. In between that we can have some more resistance at 360 and 370. Just make sure when prices starts trading in your direction, trade the stop loss for maximum benefit. Well, this is all I have for DLF now. Well, DLF for long term it looks good. We can also start accumulating slowly in bits and pieces. So it's not priced very high, it's somewhere around 318 rupees. So adding it at this level would be important. And even if it comes down, till it is not breaking 200 levels, we need not worry, because it's about 50 moving average as well. You can see here on daily basis, and this trend line, as I've said you, is going to be important. By the time the prices come to this trend line, this 200-day moving average can also come somewhere around 220. Even this 200-day moving average will be a good point to add in for long-term investors. Well, that's all I have for DLF. In case price moves above 350 or 370, I'll again come up with DLF video so that I can tell you what new targets we have. Alright guys, this is all I have for DLF. In case you have any doubts, drop in a comment, and in case you enjoyed watching this video, give a like. I'll see you again in the next video guys. Have a good day.